Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are gonna show you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. So here we have created these beautiful lovely patterns. Now you have to join them together in a pair of 3. Now getting another sheet, fold them across gently with the help of your fingers and getting them folded across the lines. You have to make a beautiful lovely body and then paste these wings on the top and your lovely peacock is ready. Now you have to get an oval shaped cutouts. Further you have to make these patterns. Make this cracked one in this manner and then you have to make a small little tiny chick. Paste a stick on the top of it. Further you need to put it inside. You can just play with it. This is cool, right? Now here you have to get the stripes of sheets. Further you have to make these cute lovely patterns. On the top of it you need to make like this. Make all the rolls together and your caterpillar is ready. On a leaf you need to put it. Paste it in this pattern and now put it on it. This is cute. You can just slide with it. Further here get a sheet and then fold them together. You have to get a picture like this. Get the cutouts in this manner. Further you need to get the shapes like this and then keep on folding it. Further you need to make it look like this and your wings are ready. Cut it from the top in this pattern and this is gonna look so beautiful. Just paste these layers around to make it look even more adorable. Further here get a green sheet. With the help of pencils you need to make this. Now you need to get a cuts in the sheets like this. Further you have to just get the creases and cutouts in this manner. Give the cuts using your scissors and when you open it you'll find it interesting. Now here you have to get a cylindrical roll, cut it from the top in a big portion like this. Now get the highlights in this manner, get a flower made. Further here you have to roll the sticks like this and paste on both the sides and here your hanging is gonna be ready. This is cute, isn't it? Now let's see how to make this cap. These hats for summer. You have to get the cutouts of a plastic sheet. Now keep on getting the cuts in this manner. Further here you have to get the straps made like this. Now keep on getting the folds in this manner by joining them together like this. Getting it involved in this way, you have to make the hats in this manner and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here get a bow in between. This is gonna look super cute. Keep on proceeding and here also you have to get the Fevicol and then just paste all the sheets together and make the patterns like this. You have to keep all of them together and just keep on pasting them in this manner one over the other. And let's see again what are we up to. You just have to paste the green lines in this manner and this is it ready. Cool, isn't it? Now get your zigzag patterns. You have to fold the sheet like this so as to get a spring-like structure. Further here you have to make a face like this tattoo, a cute one. You have to paste it on the top and get them attached in this manner. This is cute, isn't it? Now here again you have to get a circular cutout, get a red sheet and then get a stick around. You have to paste the sticks in this manner and then paste these circular ones as well. Make these seeds of a watermelon and further from behind you need to make the layers like this as if it were a real watermelon. I hope guys you have enjoyed. Thank you.